Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel, and today I would like to show you how we can change the background color of the paper on a Google Docs application. So you just need to open your Google Docs, just tap it to open it, and let's just create a new documents by clicking this plus button. Click new documents and prepare the title. Create. Now you see the default color of the document could be white because it's just the blank paper. If you want to change the color, go tap in these three small dots and go click this page setup, and there will be like a page color there. Just go tap into it and just need to pick the color that you want to choose here. There'll be like several colors that you can access, so you just need to find your favorite color to use. Right after you're done, you just need to go tap back, go click X, and now you already got the new color. So this is the original. Wait a minute, so this is the original, and this is whenever you get the color for your page. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.